How are you? We're glad to have you back at Wealthy Coin. Breaking Shazam just went crazy. Shiba inu said, "This is big news. People agree that the second largest meme crypto on the market is one of the most important reasons why there are so many meme tokens and coins on the market. Even though Dogecoin came out before SHIB, it hasn't kept the interest it got at first. Shiba inu went into space with a unique idea that turned an experiment into one of the largest communities in the world. In this video, we'll talk about how Shibuya is broken. Shiba inu big news said, "I just went crazy." Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba inu price predictions and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Shiba inu is one of the few meme projects that uses utility tokens, DEX, NFTs, and other cryptocurrencies. It wasn't just the activities, newspaper reviews, and fear of missing out that showed how useful it was. Many people weren't surprised when it started to give high returns to its owners, and more people who had been watching from a distance joined the group. After being tested over and over again for the past 2 months, the Shiba inu token has finally stopped falling. Shiba inu has a trading volume of about $268.5 million per day, which shows that investors are getting a great return on their money. Since the beginning of the year, Shiba inu has done more to support prices and keep its supply in line with the price of gold. The community keeps pushing the burn rate to all-time highs. Twitter has more than 1 billion users in 150 countries and is growing faster than any other social network right now. It's not just a way to have fun and pass the time. People use it for how to and do it yourself. As Twitter moves towards sharing useful content on a wide range of topics, it is now part of the top cryptocurrencies. Twitter is becoming a treasure trove of useful information about all things crypto, such as Twitter tips, favorite cryptocurrencies. The SHIB community has made a lot of progress over the past few years. Since the news that Elon Musk was buying out Twitter, the price of SHIB has gone up by almost 40%. So, it's clear that the meme coin will have a lot of good opportunities in 2023. It is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies that traders like the most. In 2023, when Elon Musk finishes taking over Twitter, the price is expected to go up 100 times. After being quiet for a few months, the crypto markets responded well and reached new highs. But after a week, things don't look quite so green. Recently, both Dogecoin and Shiba inu have lost 15% of their value, and their prices could go down even more. Even though the crypto market went green, Elon Musk was finishing up his takeover of Twitter while the news was going on, but Twitter employees couldn't say the same. After the takeover, Musk started a big round of layoffs and cut almost half of the company's departments. Some of the departments that were cut were human rights, accessibility, machine learning, ethics, transparency and accountability, and communication. This has led many people to wonder how Twitter will work without these important roles. Musk also started a blue verification checkmark subscription that costs $7.90 and 9 cents per month. This would take the place of the old verification system, which only checked off people with whom Twitter had been in direct contact. At first, Musk's takeover of Twitter boosted Dogecoin by a huge 150%, while Shiba inu's market capitalization on CoinMarketCap went up by $2.29 billion. This was mostly because Musk had backed Dogecoin and the Shiba inu dog breed in the past. Also, the market kept going up because people thought he would add Doge as a way to pay on Twitter. But now that more details about Musk's plans for Twitter have come out, Dogecoin and Shiba are starting to shake. On October 29, 2022, both Dogecoin and Shiba began to fall slowly, with Doge falling 10% and Shiba inu falling almost 5% in just the last 7 days. Even though it's not possible to link their losses directly to Musk's Twitter troubles, it seems likely that cryptocurrencies will continue to fall in the coming week, even though excitement had been building up. Shiba inu is one of these cryptocurrencies that saw huge gains, which allowed SHIB to break through 12 cents resistance, a key level that has always been watched as a price pivot. So, SHIB went up to a nearly 3-month high of 15 cents on October 29. On the same day, SHIB suddenly turned bearish and went down to 10 cents. This happened because a key technical level at 12 cents broke. The losses come as people worry that a lot of SHIB is leaving the troubled FTX exchange. Now we know that whales moved almost 1.5 trillion SHIB from the FTX exchange. On the same day as the movement, the price of SHIB dropped by almost 10%. From a technical point of view, SHIB is on a downward trend after bulls failed to keep their ground at the 12 cents level. The price has also dropped below the 20-day and 50-day moving averages, which shows that bears are getting stronger. A sharp drop is shown by the Relative Strength Index. With the reading below the midpoint, the token has not yet reached the oversold level. Bears are in charge of Shiba inu right now. Weak momentum and bearish signs make it more likely that the price will keep going down. Next, keep an eye on the area around 8 cents. If the bulls aren't able to stop the current weakness in SHIB, and if bulls buy positions, the chip price could go up to 12 cents, where it would meet resistance again. If the price goes back up and goes above the 12 cents resistance, this will show that the trend could be going up. Buyers should not buy SHIB until there is a clear sign that the market is going up. But unexpected recoveries on new developments should be watched out for because SHIB is known for doing that. SHIB seems to be back to fighting off bloodthirsty bears as the market price of the dog coin has dropped by more than 10% in the last week. Even so, the top 5,000 whales are still buying more Shiba inu tokens, despite the sudden change in sentiment. According to statistics about whales, Shiba inu is still the biggest whale if you'll excuse the pun. One of the top 100 Ethereum whales had been sleeping for almost a half year until today, when it was woken up. Etherscan says that in the last 24 hours, the sleepy whale has bought a lot of Shiba inu tokens. In just 3 transactions, the sleepy whale has bought more than 1 trillion Shiba inu tokens. The Ethereum whale spent $11,006,405 in the dog token, which is called a dog token. Shiba inu was able to stay at the top of Ethereum's list of the top 100 whales because of this. Shiba inu's trade volume on the Ethereum blockchain, on the other hand, has dropped a lot. This has caused Shiba inu to drop 2 spots in the list of cryptos by total market capitalization. So, the fact that Ethereum whales are buying up Shiba inu shows that they are planning for the Japanese dog-themed cryptocurrency to be around for a long time. Recent technological changes in the ecosystem of Shiba inu suggest that Shibuya is just around the corner. There is now a social and informational hub on Twitter just for the Layer 2 upgrade. Lead developer Satoshi Kusama has been hard at work on the documentation for Shiba Farms. This is the first step towards the launch of Shiba Farms. The price of the dog cryptocurrency is 1,100 cents. CoinGecko says that Shiba inu is just soaking in red ink, with a 12% loss in value over the last 7 days and an 8.2% loss in the last 24 hours. Even so, the Shiba army thinks that Shiba Farms will change the market price for Shiba inu. SHIBARIUM is our most powerful tool. These bullets are made of tag bone. There are still some people who don't understand the hash Shiba ecosystem, but they will soon. Shiba inu has lost 7% of its value in the last 24 hours, making it the 14th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Because the price of Shiba inu has dropped so much, the coin is no longer in 13th